After using ChatGPT to actually boost my Telegram earning, and I have been able to earn over $153 this particular month by just posting on my Telegram channel. I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to create online business using ChatGPT. I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process, and I will advise you to watch the video closely, as I'm going to be sharing with you all the things you need to know before you actually start earning on using ChatGPT. You can see it right there. The last one which I actually withdraw is actually 10 ton right there, and I'm still earning every single day by just posting on my Telegram channel using the information which I actually got from ChatGPT. And I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you can boost your income using ChatGPT. After withdrawing 10 ton few days ago, which is about 30 USDT from this particular Telegram channel right here, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to boost my Telegram channel to over 6,000 subscribers in short period of time using the strategy which I actually got from ChatGPT. And I'm going to be sharing with all the strategies and how I was able to earn over $153 from Telegram by using ChatGPT, using the strategy which I actually got from ChatGPT. This is the smartest way to actually earn money using AI. All you just need to do right now is to actually go on right now and enter this particular prompt on ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT that I am actually broke right now. Help me create I want to create a Telegram channel that earn money through ad revenue. Give me simple but working strategy I can use to start earning before next month. I actually enter this particular prompt on ChatGPT. See okay, you can see what ChatGPT actually told me right there, that I should pick a profitable niche. The next thing is grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers fast, and ChatGPT actually suggests the strategy which I can use to boost my channel to 1,000 subscribers. And once your channel reach 1,000 subscribers, you are eligible to start earning on Telegram. You can see it right there. You can see consistent posting and cross promotion. You can see it right there, the strategy which ChatGPT actually to suggest. And this is quick example strategy movie niche. You can see it right there, which when channel hit 5k plus member, start selling sponsorship. Also, you can see it right there. If you follow this, you can realistically start making between $50 to $200 within a month. Even more if your growth is fast. You can see it right there, which means if you actually follow the strategy which ChatGPT actually suggests right there, you can actually start earning in less than 2 months by using this particular method. And I'm going to be sharing with you some of the process you can start earning using ChatGPT right now. All you need to do right now is to go on right now and enter this particular prompt right now, and the prompt goes like this: generate 10 viral YouTube video title idea inspired by the theme. I will put the theme right here. I want to enter this particular prompt right now, and all the prompts which I will be using in this particular video, I will be dropping it in the description of this video so that you can easily copy it. I want to go on right now. What we have actually done is that we have actually used this particular prompt to actually generate 10 YouTube video ideas that can actually help us to actually build YouTube automation channel without any single stress using just ChatGPT. And I'm going to be sharing with you the next step right now. The next step is to enter this particular second prompt right now. Once you enter this particular second prompt right now, you can see this is the next second prompt. Write a dramatic and engaging storytelling script based on the theme how a billionaire lost everything overnight. The story should be narrated in a way that captures attention from the first sentence. Use a mixture of suspense. You can see it right there, emotion and curiosity. Make it realistic but entertaining. I join to enter this particular prompt right now. Once I enter this particular prompt right now, I just need to allow it to load. You can see that our story is actually ready right now. You can see it right there. This is actually our story right now, and the next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and actually copy our story right now. And we're going to be turning this particular script into an audio format, which we are going to be using to actually generate our YouTube automation, to start our YouTube automation right now. And the next thing you need to do right now is to come to this particular website known as Speechma. Once you come to Speechma, click on Speechma. Once you click on this Speechma right here, this is the website which we are going to be using to convert our text into audio. Enter your text right here on this particular section right here. Once you enter your text right here, you can see it right there. Just arrange the text the way you want it to be, okay? The next thing we need to do right now is to scroll down right here and select our voice right here. There are a lot of voices right here, okay? You can see. You can go on right now and test the voice to actually know how it's done. Let me choose this particular voice right now. Once I choose our voice, scroll up right now and enter this particular code right here. Okay, enter this particular code right here. Okay, 669. Okay, after entering the code, scroll down right here and click on this generate. Once you click on this generate, the story will actually start generating right now, and we just need to wait for our audio to be ready for us to actually go on right now and download it right here. Okay, watch closely guys, as our story is actually, you can see our audio is actually have actually finished generating. Click on this download right now to actually download our audio, and if you want to go on right now and play it, you can click on this play right now for it to actually play right now. The next thing I need to do right now is to go on right now, go back to ChatGPT. After generating our audio, the next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and enter this particular thought prompt right now. And once we enter this particular thought prompt right now, let me read it out. Read a story, how a billionaire lost everything overnight, and break it into sign. First, identify the main character and give them individual identity with detailed description, including their hairstyles. Okay, go on right now and enter this particular prompt. You can see it right there, and all the prompts which I'm using in this particular video will be in the description of this video, so that you can use it to build your own online business easily without any single stress. You can see it right there. ChatGPT has actually gone on right now to actually generate each individual's identity right there. You can see this is the first character right there. This is the second character in the story, and this is the third character in the story right there. We just need to wait for start generating our image prompt. The next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and start copying the prompt one after another to convert it into images right now. What we are actually building right now is actually an online business that will actually help us to actually earn money using ChatGPT. Watch closely guys. All we just need to do right now is to come to this particular website known as va.com. Once we come to this particular website, this is the website that will actually help us to actually convert our text to image, or our image to actually video on this particular platform right now. And I will advise you to watch closely. Once you land on this particular page section right here, you will see that this is free online AI image generator right here. You can see it right there. Click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section right here, you will see text to image. Click on text to image. Remove this particular section. Okay. Once you click on text to image, okay, this is text to image. Once you click on text to image, scroll down right here to this particular AI text to image generator. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you this particular section right here. Scroll down to this particular section and click on this generate image from text. Once you click on this generate image from text right here, you just need to allow it to load. You click to this particular section right here. All you just need to do right here is to enter your prompt right here. Once you enter your prompt right here, scroll down to this particular section right now. Once you scroll down to this particular section right here, click on this particular section right now and select YouTube aspect ratio. Let's click on 16:9. Once you select 16:9 right here, click on this generate section right now. But if you are creating okay, let's click on generate right now. Once you click on generate right now, just allow it to load. You can see our image is actually generating right now, and in less than 2 minutes our image will actually be ready. Boom guys, our image is finally ready right now. All we just need to do right now is click on this particular section right now to actually download our image. After downloading our image, the next thing we need to do right now is click on this particular section right now. Click on image to video. Once you click on image to video, it will bring out generate video from image. Click on it. Once you click on generate video from image, it will bring out this particular section where you need to upload your image. Once I choose the image which I want to upload right now, the next thing I will need to do right now is to enter the description of the image right here. I just need to enter the description of the image right here. Once I enter the description of the image right here, I just need to scroll on right now and scroll down right now to this particular section right now and click on generate. Once I click on generate right now, I just need to allow the image to actually generate right to actually turn to video right now for us to be able to download it. And our image has successfully been converted into a video right now, which you can see right there. This particular image have turned into a video. Click on this particular section right now to actually download our video to our image to our phone right now. You can see it right there. We have successfully downloaded our video. Also repeat the process for the first prompt, second prompt to the last prompt right now. Let me just complete it and come back right away. So I finished generating all my videos using VA AI. The next thing I need to do right now is to go on right now to CapCut and compile all the videos to turn it into actual video right now. All I just need to do right now is to click on new project. I add all the videos together. You can see all the videos right now. The next thing I need to do right now is to go on right now and add our audio. Click on audio, click on sound. Once you click on sound right now, you just need to select the audio right now. Once I select our audio right now, you can see we have just added our audio right now. let me play it so that you see
Have
how
you ever
it
wondered
sounds.
how someone worth over
You can see this is actually our audio right now. You can see this is our audio. Let me add transition. Click on it. Let me add transition right now. After all the editing, our video is finally ready, and all you just need to do right now is to go on right now and save your video. After saving your video, you can go on and upload it on YouTube or Telegram channel to start earning with it by monetizing it on any platform of your choice. Even you can also post it on TikTok, Facebook, and be able to use it to make money without any strong single thread. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.
Have you ever wondered how someone worth over $1 billion could wake up the next morning with absolutely nothing? No mansions. No cars. No empire. Just silence and a mountain of regret. This is the story of how one billionaire lost everything over